Hello again, and welcome to our look at the upcoming Tuesday, November 25th trading session. This is the economic calendar in front of you, and as you can see, we have German GDP coming out almost immediately, and for us, that's the biggest mover of the market. We do have the Bank of England Governor Carney speaking. That, of course, is a potential market-moving event, but truthfully, we believe that the German GDP will be more influential. You go later in the day, and you got some things coming out of Canada. The CB consumer confidence numbers out of the United States typically can move the stock markets in the United States, but with this being Thanksgiving week, we're really not looking for too much out of America. Small moves at best. So having said that, let's take a look at some charts and see what we've got coming up for the session. Looking at the U.S. stock markets, this is S&P 500. As you can see, we did get a little bit of a push higher during the session on Monday. Not a big surprise, nothing overwhelming, but it makes sense as we are most certainly in an uptrend. And we have been saying for some time now that we believe buying calls on dips will be the way to go going forward. Primarily focused on short-term charts for the next couple of days, just because we only have a few trading sessions for the week in America. After that, the markets will completely drop off. And truthfully, for those of you not in the States, Thanksgiving week tends to be a week where a lot of people just don't go to work, really. So even though it's only 2 days that they typically have off, a lot of times people will take off extra time earlier in the week. So this could be a very quiet market. Looking at the euro dollar, you can see that we have rallied a little bit during the session. Don't really see much happening this week, so I'm going to let this rally a bit and then start buying puts. Not interested in buying calls going against the trend because you never know, something could happen. Those German GDP numbers could come out worse than anticipated, but truthfully, a nice range play seems to be setting up, so buying puts at higher levels are how we're going to go. And finally, looking at the FTSE, we've had a little bit of a pullback during the session here on Monday. We think we're going to try to find some support here just below 6,700. And on a supportive candle, even on a shorter term chart, we'd be willing to buy calls, as we certainly think that the market still has legs to go much higher. And with that, we've taken a look at the Tuesday, November 25th trading session.